Did you know the company that makes aspirin once sold heroin to children? In 1897, Bayer launched heroin as a miracle cough medicine. They marketed it specifically to kids. Non-addictive, their ads promised. Safer than morphine. But within months, doctors reported something disturbing. Patients couldn't stop taking it. Bayer knew. Internal documents show they tracked the addiction reports, yet they kept selling. For 15 years, they pushed heroin in 40 countries while their own scientists confirmed it was creating mass addiction. Thousands of children became addicts before Bayer finally stopped production. The same corporate playbook, the same deadly results, just a different century.